This is the Whisper Kit, one of the most notorious support kits in the entire game, with the ability to create a bird that flies over someone and helps them by supporting them with heals and ranged damage. Today his skills are going to be tested against one of the other best support kits in the game, the Melody Kit. Melody has a guitar that heals her teammates, and that's pretty much it. She's very good for squads and other stuff like that. So today we're going to be testing them with 2 professionals and seeing how good they are. And by 2 professionals, I mean just me, because no one else agreed to do this because I threatened their family. Alright, go, Michael. Go, good boy. Stop singing, we're gonna get copyrighted.
I gotta see my screen though.
Yo, Loki, how does a Whisper have almost more kills than the Tharps? Dude, how did you die?
Maybe I was getting 2v1 and my teammate wasn't doing it.
He was at base, or was he meant to like use telekinesis?
And as soon as he literally saw me and the 2 dudes come and he just went back to base.
Look at my tiny little legs. You don't have to announce you're lagging. You literally all are lagging terribly.
Has Shay spawned in?
No. Dude, how bad is your internet connection in Europe? Dude, what is this little fiend doing under the map? Get out of there. How did you? Whatever.
Why do I have to be the one that falls off?
Because you literally jumped into him. I feel like that's basic knowledge not to jump off a cliff. Like, dude, this Anna today is cracked and this dude is dumb.
I'm still loading.
He is still waiting! Dude, I have more Whispers than that other dude. And you guys are both using streamer mode for some reason. If Dark was— why are you running into fights? You're literally just gonna get downgraded to a stone sword. Like, stop entering like 3v1000s.
Don't, why would you waste?
What do you mean waste? You're into the void. Did he spawn in? No. He spawned in! He spawned in! Okay, you— Ow! Wow! Ow! There's a little fart!
What? What is this range?
Why is it on the base? This little fart is sitting here just comboing everybody.
Bro, I got 1 million!
Alright, dude, I'm not whispering.
Bro, I got 6K ping. I got 6K.
Yo, wait, Dark, whisper me.
Whisper.
We're just a turret! There's some dude over there about the diamond gen, get him. Where is everybody? Like, no one's leaving their base. Wait, someone's there. Dang, I missed. Is this the dumbest thing I did? This is not one of the dumbest things I've ever done. I've done way dumber. How about we just kill that diamond guardian? We need to just create a massive sentry. You got 2 million ping? Get the diamond guardian! He's just sitting there waiting to be killed. Hi, house. Dude, don't steal the kill! Dude, what is your problem? Dude, what is this? Dude, this Vulcan is gonna get like— oh, I hit him. Dude, the Whisper Bird does like no knockback. I remember when you could just destroy everybody. We literally are better than Vulcan. For real, we're literally getting so many kills. I got him! So, over there! Owl's over there!
I'm not near there.
You guys sold.
I'm gonna wipe out Yellow's bed.
Bro, stop wiping everybody out, you sweat. Dude, this dude is literally crossbow standing me. Dude, get out of the jam! What is he even doing? Wait, what? Bro, you guys suck buns. I'm gonna be real. Go, my kittens. Yeah, let's do it!
Bro, we're not winning.
We're not winning! Alright, bro. You know what? It was fun. It's been fun, guys. So you guys can just go hang out over there. I'm just gonna go take a vacation. I don't want to whisper. Unwhisper me, you brat. What is your problem? What did we do? Alright, well, I'm just gonna try to be the last person.
I wonder why
alive.
they had like a farmer Cletus. Like, godly.
Oh my god. They're getting. You guys are getting obliterated!
Die, bro. Chase, just fall down.
Or I'm gonna get like hunted down, so I literally have no movement kit. It's over.
Maybe you can try the building up strategy.
It's not gonna work! They have a rage blade! Okay, it's
I've been
over.
telling-
Alright, so the next kit we're gonna be testing out is the melody kit. Now, like I said in the intro, this kit gets a guitar that lets you heal people. And that's really all it does. Now, my teammate here is a barbarian, so I'm gonna be healing him, and he's gonna be grinding. Just like that, I can heal him. You can see how OP this is. Wait. He's just getting spam healed. Chill! What is your problem? Stop attacking me. What did I do? This dude already has iron armor. I'm just gonna play my guitar. Alright, now that they're done getting incinerated, I'm just gonna go break their bed that I'm playing like a guitar. Get away from me! And poof. What am I even playing? Yo! Bed! Bed! Alright, bro, my teammate sold so bad. You literally just had to help, and our bed would be fine. Yeah, he literally sold. Hey, they like my music. Or get him! Get him! Get him! Murder them! Murder them! Alright, healed him at least one last time, so he's chilling. Dude already got 4 free kills. Our pink is off the map. Get out of here. I might have to go for the bed. Dude, he's camping it. He's covering it. Please, bro, it hits. It's literally one tap. Bro, whoa, why is he building like that? I don't want to do a mini parkour course. You know, just in spite of that. Alright, there, have fun. You just got an obstacle course set up. What is happening? Oh! This is BEDWARS for you guys, just so you know. Dude, the sword. Guys, welcome to BEDWARS, guys. The least laggiest game on the world. On the whole wild world web. See how smooth everything is? Oh, I love the 3 frames per second. Oh my god, the lag. Oh, dude! How am I meant to play with 100 ping? Guys, this is BEDWARS for you. This is how BEDWARS gets after you play for longer than 10 minutes. This level of lag should not be possible. It's Roblox.